Are you looking for the best bread machines? In this video we will look at some of the 3 best bread machines on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Best overall bread machine. It also makes the best yeast-free pound cake around. In all 4 types of bread we made, the Virtuoso produced loaves with even, medium brown crusts and tasty yet supportive interiors. These 2-pound loaves are also a great shape for making sandwiches. Its magazine-style recipe booklet includes color pictures and easy-to-read charts, making this machine much more enjoyable to use. Excellence like this will cost you. Out of all the machines in our review, this is the only one that produces 2-pound loaves without any option to change the size. At this price, it might be overkill for those simply looking to make fresh white bread for a sandwich. Overall, if you love baking and eating all kinds of breads and cakes and need a good gluten-free option, the Virtuoso Plus will not disappoint. On the other hand, if you don't make gluten or yeast-free bread, check out the KBS Pro MBF010. It scored higher in the white and wheat bread tests at a fraction of the cost. Specifications. Measured dimensions: HXWXL, 33 cm x 45.7 cm x 25.4 cm 13 x 18 x 10. Measured weight 10.3 kg 22.7 pounds. Number of functions 15. Available loaf sizes 0.91 kg 2 pounds. Number 2. Best for tight budgets. The Elite Gourmet Maximatic Programmable is one of our lineup's least expensive bread machines and does a solid job making the basics. It produced some of our favorite wheat bread and solid white bread, too. It's convenient, easy to use, and has a slim design that fits on just about any kitchen counter. It features 19 pre-programmed functions and is one of the few models we tested that offers a yogurt setting. During our yeast-free and gluten-free bread testing, we found the Maximatic lacking. This machine wasn't great at mixing in our mini chocolate chips, instead, it clumped them all at the bottom of the loaf. Despite having the most functions of any model we tested, 19, this machine offered some of the fewest recipes, just 18. Still, if you're making just the basics and shopping on a tight budget, the Maximatic is a solid value buy with plenty to offer. Specifications. Measured dimensions: HXWXL, 29.2 cm x 25.4 cm x 35.6 cm 11.5 x 10 x 14. Measured weight 3.63 kg 8.0 pounds. Number of functions 19. Available loaf sizes 1, 1.5, 2 pounds. Number 3. Best for traditional sandwich bread. They turned out beautiful in color and shape and were both our blind taste tester panel's favorite to eat. Their densities were soft but with the structure needed to hold a sandwich together and crusts that were both perfectly browned and matched the taste and texture of the bread. The KBS Large is one of just 2 models with an automatic fruit and nut dispenser, which proved incredibly effective. When it came time to make gluten-free bread, the KBS Large left us disappointed. The yeast-free bread it produced wasn't that much better, either. It had an extremely doughy and severely sunken top. That said, this may be the one for you if you love an information-rich display screen. Some of its text is small but still readable at the right distance. Despite the impressive 17 functions, we like this model best for consistently making delicious traditional sandwich bread. If that's what you're after, you can't go wrong with the KBS Large. For those who plan on making gluten-free bread, the Zojirushi Virtuoso Plus is hands down the one to get. Specifications. Measured dimensions: HXWXL, 33 cm x 34.3 cm x 21.6 cm 13 x 13.5 x 8.5. Measured weight 6.17 kg 13.6 pounds. Number of functions 17. Available loaf sizes 1, 1.5, 2 pounds.